If you had the ability to craft and arrange every detail of your life, how would your perfect life be? Some people might dream of globetrotting, exploring different corners of the world, while others would cherish living in their dream homes. Many would aspire to pursue their passions and fulfill their lifelong dreams, like having the perfect wedding they've always envisioned, among countless other possibilities. While it's often said that money can't buy happiness, it undeniably plays a significant role in shaping our choices and opportunities. Now, let's imagine a life free from financial worries, where your decisions are not constrained by your bank account balance. You could pursue your dream job or career path without having to compromise for a higher paying but less fulfilling option. You could shop for organic foods without checking price tags, and even treat yourself to luxuries, like Uber Black, whenever you desire. It sounds like a marvelous life, doesn't it? Well, achieving such financial freedom is indeed possible, but it's important to recognize that it won't happen overnight. Like any other worthwhile goal, it requires effort, discipline, and dedication. In this video, we present to you 10 actionable steps that can lead you towards attaining complete financial freedom. Number 1. Set life goals. The initial step is to compile a comprehensive list of your life goals. Avoid rushing through this process. Instead, engage in some soul-searching to truly uncover what you desire in life. Once you have your list, it's essential to attach timelines, and if feasible, estimated costs to each goal. While it's acceptable to be ambitious, it's crucial to remain grounded and realistic. For example, buying $1 million home within 6 months, unless you win the lottery, falls into the realm of impossibility. Focus on setting achievable and practical targets. To ensure you stay focused on your goals, we suggest placing this list somewhere highly visible, such as on your refrigerator, where you'll encounter it daily. Number 2. Create a budget. Having a clear understanding of your daily expenses and their corresponding costs is crucial. It's the only way to gain true insight into your spending habits and effectively manage your finances. By creating and adhering to a household budget, you'll discover significant savings over time. This disciplined practice not only supports your financial goals, but also strengthens your resistance to unnecessary and impulsive spending. Believe me, it's a valuable routine that yields substantial benefits. Number 3. Emergency fund. To kickstart your journey towards financial freedom, prioritize establishing an emergency fund. The fundamental principle behind an emergency fund is to set aside an amount equivalent to 6 months' worth of recurring expenses. This fund serves as a safety net, safeguarding you against unforeseen circumstances. It's crucial to emphasize that this money should not be allocated for leisure activities, like vacations or indulging in luxury purchases, but exclusively reserved for genuine necessities that could disrupt or impede your life. These necessities encompass unexpected events such as car breakdowns, water heater malfunctions, or unanticipated medical bills, only the most crucial needs. You might ask, why should you create an emergency fund? Well, it serves as a proactive measure to safeguard against unexpected and challenging circumstances that may arise. Rather than resorting to borrowing money or relying on credit cards, which can push you further into debt, having an emergency fund enables you to draw from your savings when faced with such situations. Establishing this fund should be the primary step for anyone striving to achieve financial freedom. Number 4. Plan to pay off debt. Around 80% of Americans have debt, and this number keeps going up. Debt isn't all bad. It can help build a good credit score if you borrow money responsibly and pay it back on time. However, many people misuse debt, with 65% maxing out their credit cards at some point. Here are 2 rules for dealing with debt. Only borrow for things that increase in value, like a house, and always have a plan to pay it back, just like businesses do. In short, avoid using credit cards for unnecessary purchases. If you can, pay off loans faster to save thousands on interest. Start by organizing loans by their interest rates and focus on paying off the high-interest ones first. You can also try the snowball method, where you pay off smaller loans first to gain momentum. Number 5. Retirement fund. Achieving financial freedom requires making sacrifices in the short term to reap long-term rewards. One of the most significant sacrifices involves establishing a robust retirement fund. The 401k is a prime example of an essential asset that often doesn't receive the attention it deserves. If you already have one, chances are you might not be maximizing its potential. However, having such a fund is paramount for ensuring future security and stability. By consistently saving a small portion of your income each month, you are laying the foundation for a dignified retirement, a prospect that holds immense appeal. Who wouldn't want to enjoy a comfortable and worry-free retirement? Furthermore, if you diligently accumulate enough funds, early retirement becomes an achievable reality. Delaying action on this front is merely wasting precious time. Take the initiative today and start on the necessary steps to secure your financial future. Number 6. Start investing today. This is the only way your wealth can grow exponentially. After establishing a structured approach to manage your income and completing the aforementioned steps, it's time to develop an investment plan. The power of compound interest will exponentially grow your money over extended periods. However, it's important to exercise patience, as significant results will manifest over time. So, where does one begin? Instead of attempting to be a stock market expert or aspiring to be the next Warren Buffett, consider opening an online brokerage account. These platforms offer valuable learning resources to help you grasp the essentials of investing and construct a suitable portfolio. Once you've conducted thorough research, you can commence making weekly or monthly deposits into this account, steadily building your investment portfolio. Number 7. Watch your credit score. Your credit score holds significant influence over various aspects of your financial life. It dictates the interest rate you'll receive on loans, whether it's for your car or when refinancing your home, among other important considerations. However, what many people fail to realize is that it also impacts seemingly unrelated matters, such as life insurance premiums and car insurance rates. Financial institutions often associate a low credit score with potential recklessness in other aspects of life, including behaviors like drinking and driving. As a result, a poor credit score can cost you a considerable amount of money in the long run. To safeguard your financial standing, it's crucial to regularly monitor your credit report. By doing so, you can identify and address any negative marks that might tarnish your otherwise good reputation. A healthy credit score is essential for securing favorable terms and ensuring financial stability in various areas of your life. Number 8. Create automated savings. One of the most prudent steps you can take to improve your financial situation is to set up automated withdrawals. Once you have established a well-defined budget, a structured loan payment plan, a systematic savings approach, and regular contributions to your retirement fund, it's time to activate automated deductions on a monthly basis. These deductions should align with the day you receive your paycheck, effectively curbing any temptation to deviate from your financial plan. Have you ever found yourself in a puzzling situation where you can't account for your expenses despite receiving your paycheck? Your money disappears quickly, and you're unsure where it goes. If this scenario sounds familiar, it might be the ideal moment to implement automated deductions. Get in touch with your bank to explore how you can set up these automated debt payments today. This way, you can regain control over your finances and avoid unnecessary financial stress. Number 9. Maintenance. Take good care of everything you own, whether it's your car, home, lawnmowers, or clothes. When your belongings last longer, you'll spend less on repairs and replacements, resulting in annual savings of hundreds of dollars. Ensure you regularly service your car and use gadgets responsibly to extend their lifespan. Equally important is prioritizing your health by adopting healthy eating habits and engaging in regular exercise. This will help you avoid expensive hospital visits and also have a positive impact on your insurance premiums. Maintaining good overall health is essential, as obesity and health issues can lead to higher insurance costs. Additionally, steer clear of harmful habits like alcoholism and smoking, as some companies may deduct pay for excessive sick days. Safeguarding your health is a crucial step in your journey towards achieving financial freedom. And number 10. Continuous learning. Acquiring knowledge is the cornerstone of achieving financial freedom. Regularly keeping track of changes in tax regulations is essential to maximize deductions and adjustments effectively. Staying informed about financial news empowers you to monitor developments in the stock markets and make timely adjustments to your investment portfolio. Alongside financial literacy, dedicating time to enhance your expertise in your career is equally crucial. Pursuing additional courses that enhance your skills can significantly increase your chances of landing a higher-paying job. Moreover, in times of company downsizing, your improved qualifications may offer greater job security. Thankfully, there is an abundance of certified online courses available today. Some of these courses are reasonably priced, while others are entirely free. Embracing continuous learning not only enhances your financial prospects, but also enriches your overall professional and personal growth. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.